Welcome to Brain Friz! Alam niya, alam mo rin! So hello ka-Brainy! For today's video, I will teach you on how to clear temporary files on your PC from Windows 7 to Windows 10. On your keyboard, press the Windows button plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then type Temp, T-E-M-P. Press Ctrl plus A to select all, then press Delete. All temporary files will now be deleted. For some files may not be able to be deleted. If you are prompted about the files that are missing or in use, click the checkbox next to Do this for all current items and click Skip. So here, our files are deleting. Wait until it will finish. Go to your keyboard again and press Win plus R, then type %temp%. Again, repeat the process. Ctrl A to select all and press Delete to delete all temporary files. Did you know, ka-Brainy, that programs often store temporary files on your hard drive? And over time, these files can start to take up a lot of space. So if you're running low on hard drive space, clearing temporary files is a good way to reclaim additional disk storage space. So deleting your temporary files is good. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button.